What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We're just banging out those install videos for you guys, so if you like them, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and we're gonna keep them coming until we run out of mods, and then I don't know, we'll buy another car. Today we are doing the PLM Front Pipe for the 10th Gen Si, so we're gonna get into that shortly, and going to see if I can fab up a little wheel liner for my car, because no bueno. So we'll figure it out. But that carbon's looking good. Dusty, but good. Alright, so this is the pipe right here. Voila! It's a PLM front pipe. This end attaches to the down pipe, I think. I'm assuming. Mm-hmm. And then it goes the other way. I think it's like this. We'll figure it out. Okay, so the only thing that you have to remove for the front pipe is the silver piece. The front plastics can all stay, thank God, because we already did the down pipe. It was just some clips and screws. We're good to go. So after some technical difficulties, we got the stock one out. And there is PLM. Jeez. So you didn't have to take this off completely, but it's up here. 3-bolt flange. And then the other one over there. And you just feed it through. And it's done. Oh, almost died. One bolt got stripped, but it's from whoever put the cap back on. Guys, so that is the install of the PLM front pipe. We had to bring it to a friend's shop because one of the bolts got stripped from a previous worker. They did the cap back, so we got that out today. Other than that, it's a pretty simple install. Just gotta fish it through the pipes. Make sure you close your sunroof there, Evie. And that's about it, guys. So now it is full bolt on, right?
Basically, yeah.
What do you mean basically? What are you missing?
That's it.
Nothing. So if you want to come back and watch the next video, we dropped it off at Toge Tuning, and they're gonna work their magic again, do a new tune on it, and we're gonna see if we can make some jam out of this thing. Previous numbers were 223 and 235 torque. So 223 wheel horsepower and 235 wheel torque. So leave down, before you even get to the next video, I want to see your predictions. My predictions, I'm gonna have to up it a bit. So it's gonna be on 94 octane as well. This was on 91 octane, so I'm gonna go with 242 to the wheel. That's my guess right there. Torque, I don't know, I'll say 253.
Really?
No, 259 torque. But I don't know, I haven't really looked into these, so. What are your predictions?
I think...
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
242 horse. Torque, I think I'll crack the 260s.
260s, you heard that. Let's see if these 10th gens can make jam. So yeah, like I said, full bolt on, stock clutch, and that's about it. No issues yet, but I'm sure the clutch will start to slip eventually. So that's next. That's next. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. That's gonna do it for this video. Remember, if you wanna see the next one, we're at Tollgate Tuning to get tuned. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. I'm out.